Good morning to the world of YouTube. Another random vlog on our way outside of Cape Town, way out that way. We're at the engine one stop now. Sorry, didn't have time for a cool intro, but here we are. We're about to leave. It's the homie Jason there with his friend. We'll catch up with him. Leaving with that. And we have arrived in the beautiful Bredasdorp. Hey Jason, say what's up. Yo guys, welcome to Max Shredder Industries. This is our first official event that we are doing since the channel has gone live on YouTube. As you can see, it's quite a lovely location out in the countryside, as we would call it in Cape Town. It arrived safely and it is so lovely to see. The weather's quite good, so the cars should be performing absolutely wonderfully. We swapped the differential that was bad on the Max Shredder, so that is out, and one of the rear axles snapped on since the last time that the guys took the car out. It has since been fixed, so everything should be a for a way. This is one of our good friends by the name of Faisal. This is his Ford Sierra V6 EFI setup, dictator management standard, and there is an OG car of ours, been a member since the beginning. Uncle Jason, aka Big Show, is driving also a Corolla, but I think the Puerto Rican guys will like this. I think they will enjoy it. They like to call it the 0.8 Corolla 3TC, bro. 3TC, bro. Old school. Then we got this E30 by the name of Mellow Yellow. Hello sir, how are you doing? Lovely. I don't know this car. The first time I seen this car. Hello sir, is this your car? Your car. Hello sir, how are you? Nice to see you, man. Lovely. Is this your car? What you running under the bonnet? Let me just show the people. They like to see this stuff.
Small engine.
Small engine. Okay. It's the first time I heard about an E30 with a small engine, so let's see how small. Well, us.
Got him! Got him!
Yeah. Look at that guy. Look at that guy. Now that's lovely. What engine is this? Can you just tell the people? 1UZ. Okay, so it's the VVTi one by the looks of it. It's my favorite one, by the way. My favorite one. I'll catch up with you later. Cheers, man. Then over here we have another brilliant car. One of my good friends that I know for quite some time, Hakim. But this is also one of the OGs in the game, guys. Been a part of the game. This guy, the owner of this car, and myself would drive against each other as 12-year-old boys. So yeah, let's check out this engine over here. In this one, as you can see, K20. I'm assuming it's just a K20A. Could be wrong. I don't know the exact code of it, but looks like the one that comes from the CRV. So definitely looking forward to that car. Here is another E30. Seems like the guys are from the northern suburbs, if I'm not mistaken. Looks like a party. Seems like the angle of the steering has been tampered with. So in the obligatory Cape Town induction velocity stack, which has some sort of plastic bottle in. I don't know why. Maybe for performance boys, but all of these are going to be murdered today. So these are the guys. People are tired from this morning. There's a couple more guys over there. This is my good friend Junaid. This is his car, Skyline. RB, if I'm not mistaken, but this thing is a party, this thing is a vibe. RB, nail setup in there, not sure about the specifics, but that one is pretty nice. New E30 that I have not seen before, so, oh, I think it's, yes, I think I know this car, G's car, the little guy over there, G's car. And that's got a VQ 35 in. Oh, Corolla again. Another one, probably another new car. There's so many new cars, guys. I love it. 325i Corolla. So I think this one has got an N20 engine, assuming that. And yeah, the tunnel's been tampered with, and that does look like a BMW gear shifter. We'll go and check out this skyline. The Aussie guys will love this, as well as the Japanese. R31 house represent. Well, yeah, if only. We'll go over to the main attraction. These are the big guys. I know everyone saw this car in the back bands, so we are going to head over to the man, the myth, the legend himself. Ahoy. How are you doing, man? Lovely. This is the car everyone's excited to see on the channel. I'm pretty sure they just saw a glimpse of it walking past. Where are you doing, man? I don't know if this thing is open or can be opened. Yeah, let us check. Heavy as bonnet though, but VQ35 inside of a old Ford Cortina, running a VG30 5-speed manual. And yeah, this is the party boy, as you can see. But yes, that is the lineup for the morning. Let us head back to our pit area. We'll get some wheels going, and then, oh yes, we forgot to check the track. Sections. Looks like it's been sectioned off with barriers. But this is quite the fast track, if I have to be honest. I think they do stock car racing or some sort of kart thingy that they do here. Because this is an oval, so we're gonna be, unfortunately, but fortunately for us, we're gonna be ripping this place apart today. So yeah, look forward to it 100%. Check again. Show the people how you check the wheels.
Yes, science!
It's bananas fire right now. Yeah, mandatory. Try chicken. What shoes you have on today?
Adidas.
I have the initial D boys on. Drift like Takumi. These are like Yeezys. No, they not. Jason, rip it. Ready? Rip it.